Hello, my friends. We are here in a different setting today, and I wanted to talk to you about an idea that I've had, and I just wanted to get your feedback through the comments below. Everybody in the industry, by industry I mean the content creating industry, keeps on harping on how important shorts are. Shorts, do these videos, keep them quick, keep them to the point. And people, have a shorter attention span these days, or sometimes they just want to scroll up and down. And I completely get it. But one thing that's been going on in my mind for a really long time is rather than shorts, longs. I feel like the history of the cocktail, the history of alcoholic beverages, which started as medicine, the importance of hospitality, and all these traditions that surround beverages and the culture that they dispense are far too important to just recap in a 59-second video. And so I'm thinking of doing some longer videos. Maybe they can be about 30 minutes, 40 minutes, something where you won't really have to look at the screen, right? You could just put the phone down. Why? Because the backdrop's not going to change. Maybe once in a while a picture will show up or something like that. But in essence, almost podcasty, but I don't want a podcast. Here's why I don't want a podcast. I want it to be curated. I want to give you things where unnecessary small talk is edited out. And that's why I also don't want to do it on a live version. On a live version, if you're on the show live, it's actually pretty cool. But if you watch a video, in my opinion, obviously, that was recorded live 3 days later, now you're getting all the wasted time components of the live, and you're not getting the live. So I wanted to do something more of a curated conversation with you all, still with some edits, meaning sometimes we cut things out, or the fact that there is nobody that is going to be sidebarring on something that's unrelated to what we're trying to talk about here is going to keep this cool and to the point. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if I'm onto something or how you'd like to see it. What is the content going to be about? It's still going to have some sort of a beverage, hospitality, or cocktail related to it, but it's going to be the side story to the real story. I will make something completely up. Let's just say that there's this important gentleman that one day signed the contract, and in that signing of the contract, something super amazing happened in his life, and then that person's life changed, and it changed everybody's life. I'm just making something up, but the day of that contract being signed, he drank a cocktail, and this is how he ordered it. And so we have some sort of a cocktail connection, or a spirit connection, or a beverage connection, and all tying into some sort of a tradition and tying into that important element in life called hospitality. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Am I onto something? Am I not? Also give me some suggestions. What could be the things I could be covering? Whether it could be broad topics, or whether it's like, oh yeah, I know this story. This story about this person who did this, drank this, and then did that. Point it out to me. That way I will do some research and I can bring that content to you. So, looking forward to hear your thoughts. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do all the good deeds. I appreciate you, and I will see you soon.